we survive. We'll keep on looking for good things, honey, until the day we survive. We will keep singing the same song, but why do we feel so numb sometimes?
Patingin.
Just to figure it out.
Pinaplano mo pa lang ang panliligaw, kinakabahan ka na. Naramdaman mo ng crush na crush mo. Itong babaeng ito, pumayag naman manligaw, naghihintay si Jayan. Wala ka namang ginawa. Marami siyang binigay na blessings sa inyong buhay, na kung wala ang mga blessings na yun, walang kasal ngayon.
Wash over me, let me fall from my surroundings.
Ang saya-saya, parang buong mundo, ayaw nyo nang matapos ang inyong ginagalawang kwento.
Hey, it's me! Thank you. Are you okay, man? Are you okay? Okay.
Kasama ka sa kanyang mga pangarap at kasama ka rin niya sa kanyang mga darkest nights. She prayed for you. She prayed for this wedding day. Kaya huwag makalimot, magdasal araw-araw habang buhay.
Cheers! Okay. Hindi, meron pa.
I, Jayan, I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad, to love you and honor you all days of my life.
Ito ang dasal ni Jayan. You prayed that the Lord will bless your dreams. Sabi mo, Lord, marami pa akong pangarap. Hindi lang pag-graduate. Para din sa lalaking ito.
There's no telling what you'll find here. Buried underneath, if you look any further.
Nadinig ng Diyos ang dasal ni Jayan. Pasensya na, Ernesta. Hindi ka ikakasal ngayon dahil pogi ka. Hindi talaga eh. Ikakasal ka ngayon sapagkat pinagdasal ka ni Jayan. Alam ko meron kami mga pagsubok. touch with the flame of her kindness the gloom of her darkest night.
I, Ernest Louis Alcazar, take you, Jean Elizabeth Arndibunao, to be my wife. I promise to love you and honor you all days of my life.